In this video, I'm going to show you how to block IP on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you log into your Shopify account and that you're here at the dashboard. Afterwards, please go to the left menu and select over here where it says settings. Then go ahead and go to the left menu one more time, and this time select on sales channels right here. Then select on Shopify App Store on the top right. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And now all you want to do from here is you want to look up fraud filter in the search bar. So go ahead and enter that in, then press on enter. And then you're going to get a bunch of options that look like this, but all you need to do is you need to select on this option that says Browsify Fraud Filter Blocker. So please go ahead and select on it. Then go ahead and press on install right here. And now it is going to begin installing on your Shopify store. So wait for it to be installed and go ahead and confirm it by pressing on install. And then afterwards, it is then going to open up the menu. All right, so here we are in the Browsify dashboard, and this time you want to select on block IP right here. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to select on add new IP down here. And then you want to go ahead and enter the IP address that you want to go ahead and actually block. And then over here, you can go ahead and include a note as well. And then all you need to do is you need to press on add rules once you're done with that. Make sure that the IP you list is correct as well, and make sure that it is in this format over here. So enter proxy with one line each, and over here it will also provide you with an example. Then you just need to go ahead and press on add rules, and then you will be good to go. Anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.